Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making fried onions in the air fryer. So we just need onions. I'll use 2. You can use as many as you'd like. Also seasonings, I'll use salt and pepper. You can use seasonings of your choice. And olive oil, and you can also use vegetable oil. So first I'll start off by peeling and slicing the onions. Now once I cut the onions, I'm going to separate the slices and put it in a bowl. So now once the onion is broken up into separate slices, let's add oil and seasonings. So just add about 1 tablespoon of oil or so. It just helps the onions be more crispy and browned. And add the seasonings. I'll use salt and pepper. And now mix the onion slices so they're evenly coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and add the onion slices to the air fryer basket. Put them in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's mix the onions so they cook evenly. And put the basket back in the air fryer and let the onions finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious fried onions. So nicely browned, caramelized. They look so good. Now if your onions are not as much brown as these, you can always put them back in the air fryer at 400 degrees for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. It's totally up to you. Mine are well cooked and brown, so let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Now these onions make a great topping for burgers and sandwiches. You can also mix them into stir fries, fried rice, pasta. There's so many uses for these onions. And now let's try it. I'm so excited. I love fried onions. Perfect. So caramelized, so delicious. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!